was looking for Judge Buckholz.
Judge is not here today.
Is he here tomorrow?
Nope. He'll be here until November 28th. Is there something we can help you with?
Yeah, I was hoping to see him in his quarters. He sent me a contempt of court. Did you make this by chance?
Could have been Lucy. Yeah, Lucy Martinez.
Lucy Martinez, is she here?
Yeah. Would you like me to show that to her? You want me to bring her over?
I guess, does Roger handle, does he ever have hours in his quarters, in his office here?
So he'll be here court dates, which is
only on court
the
dates.
following one, November 28th.
Okay. Sure. I'll talk to Lucy, I guess.
Okay. She'll be right up.
Okay. Oh, hi, Lucy.
Hi.
You're Lucy?
Yeah.
Hi. Did you make this document?
Order to show cause to witness. Yes, sir. Are you David?
They do call me David. I'm wondering, what is this about? I came and I witnessed, or I came and appeared.
You did?
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. So,
I came to speak with Judge Buckholz about it, but I guess he's not here, huh? I have my original request for appearance to witness, and I came on that day.
Mm-hmm.
The defendant didn't show up. He didn't, I guess he thought I was being loud. I didn't say anything. So, how do I clear this up? Do you need my help?
Okay. So, first of all, the defendant did show up. The judge asked you to wait in the lobby until your case was called?
No, the defendant didn't show up. As far as I know. When I was there, they called the defendant in, and the defendant was not there. Like I said, when I was there, they called the defendant's name.
Right.
And she was not there.
Right. And so you probably didn't hear the judge say he was going to give her more time to show up.
I don't know.
She did show up.
Nobody talked to me about anything. I don't know rules. The DA
Okay.
didn't speak with me.
The judge said, please wait in the lobby until your case is called.
And I told him this is not my case. And he then said, please leave. And I said, I will leave the building then.
Oh, you told him you were going to leave the building?
Yes.
That's what you told him?
Absolutely.
Oh,
I
okay.
said, this is not my case.
That's not what he heard?
I don't understand. Well, I'm sure there's a tape.
Yeah, I heard it. Because I wanted to know what the heck happened.
Awesome.
And no, it didn't sound like you said anything. So.
Oh, well, I'm very clear about that, yeah.
There's a show cause set for Monday
I don't
at
know
11.
what that is.
Show cause? You need to explain to the judge why you left.
He told me to leave. He should know that.
You can explain that to him.
I don't understand why I have to explain that to him.
Because I don't think he heard you say you were leaving the building. He specifically told you, please wait in the lobby until your case is being called.
And then I explained to him that I'm not here for my case.
I don't think he heard that.
Mm.
I don't think
he had, hearing problem?
No.
Oh, okay.
The issue here is I don't think you two were talking the same thing.
Ah!
So I don't think he heard that. Or
okay.
If he heard that, he did not understand what the heck you were saying.
Because then he called my client. Do you know why he called my, or did you?
I did.
Oh, you called my client.
I did, because I got very upset. And
gotcha.
I said, hello.
Why would you call my client?
Because I got very upset.
I'm sorry.
And so
why would you call my client?
Because I got very upset.
Uh-huh. Why would you?
So then
why would you call my client?
That's the reason I called him.
I don't understand. This
Do you
case
want to
is
know
with
what I told him?
This case is with me, right?
Do you want to know what I told him?
No, I want to know why you called him.
Okay, then let me tell you what I told him. I got very upset that you left. Everybody here was ready, and you were not here. You had left.
Uh-huh.
So the officer witnessed you leave.
Now, the officer is the one that stood up and bandaged his weapon when the judge was asking me to leave. Is that correct? Was he the bailiff?
Can I finish?
I'm sorry, I just didn't want to make sure who you're talking about. You're talking about the officer that stood up and bandaged his weapon?
I called the owner Because I wanted somebody else here. I didn't want to
Right.
subpoena you.
Is he the
again.
witness? I mean, I have witnessed nothing.
He told me I had to subpoena you, so that's why I did that.
No, what order does he have that he has to subpoena me?
No. I did.
Right. So my question is, I have witnessed nothing. I'm not the owner of this building. I have witnessed nothing.
What is your question?
Why am I being called to witness this case?
Okay. So you're being called because you're the one who's in charge of the Roth apartments or condo place?
No.
Yeah, that's what the owner told me.
No, I rehab his places for him. Okay? I do rehab and maintenance. What are you saying? I'm in charge? Like I'm the... Are you saying that
manager.
I am that I have a company, right, that is a real estate company?
Oh, okay.
Is that what you're telling me?
No.
Okay.
No. That's not what he told me.
All right. Because only a real estate company can manage an apartment house.
So he said you manage and that you know who was leasing that apartment on that date. So that's why the city needs your testimony. Because Eleanor is saying I had every right to be in there.
Oh,
And
she's
so the
saying
city-
she has a lease.
She's saying she has every right to be there for whatever reason. I don't know. I haven't heard her testimony. But
I just don't
she
see
got
how
a
I'm the
ticket
witness here.
You're
He's
witness
the owner.
because the owner is saying you manage that place.
Okay, well,
So only you know who has the right to be at the apartment.
I mean, obviously that's wrong.
You don't know?
No, obviously he's the owner. He knows who lives in his building.
And he said he didn't.
He said he doesn't know who lives in his building.
That's why I called him, because I did not want to bother you again.
Thank you.
I wanted to get somebody that can help me here.
Listen, I don't want to be confrontational. All I know is I'm being served with an order. I came to be a witness, even though I witnessed nothing, and it's not my building, okay? I do not manage them. If you know real estate law at all, you need to have a broker's license to do that type of thing, okay? I rehab
So you
them.
don't know who's supposed to be living at the apartments or anything
Absolutely.
like that?
I know the last tenant that was supposed to be there.
That's what we need to know.
Absolutely.
That's what we need to know.
However, okay, I am concerned because I do not know if this is civil or criminal, first
This
off.
is criminal.
Okay. So, this is a pretty serious matter, right? You've posted a criminal matter in front of me here. Okay, I'm facing jail time at this point.
No, you're not. If you don't show up on Monday, then you will be facing jail time.
Well, if I cannot show cause for not being in contempt of court,
I think you pretty much can show cause. You just
Okay.
explain why you left.
all right. Okay.
That's what the judge wants.
Okay, and I came to talk to him beforehand because, I mean,
He won't talk to you unless you're on the docket.
I mean-
So you're on the docket
oh, so you
for-
can't see him in his quarters ever?
unless you're on the docket. So you're on the docket for Monday at 11. He'll see you then.
Can I see him beforehand? Before 11? Can I get
Yeah,
him?
you can try. Yeah, definitely. Come in at 8:30.
8:30?
I'll let him know you're here so you can check in with us.
Yeah.
I'll let him know you're here, and
Okay.
then he'll tell me if he can see you or not.
Okay.
Okay.
And again, I don't mean to be adversarial, but I have no idea what you're trying to do to me.
It's very confusing, especially because no one got the chance to speak with you.
Yeah. I mean, I think what you should do, and this is just an opinion.
Okay.
I haven't been in court in 15 years. As I remember, you walk in court and the bailiff is there and he issues rules and he tells you what's expected, tells you to turn off your cell phone. The DA, if you're a witness, certainly gets with you right away and says, hey, this is what we need from you. This is what we expect from you. Is this you? Can I see you know? What is this?
Yeah, except for the prosecutor was busy the entire time in the courtroom.
Oh.
So he was hoping to have you wait until he can come talk to you, but
Yeah.
you had
I
left.
should have came to my defense, I guess. I don't know. I mean,
I don't think he knew who you were,
Ah, nobody knew who I was. No.
other than the court clerks here, but we
Yeah.
were in the courtroom
Right.
when all that happened.
Yeah.
So yeah,
I mean, I just don't understand why he would, take it to this. Or you, I guess. I guess you did.
the show cause, because you left.
But he told me to leave.
No, he specifically said, wait in the lobby until your
Your
case
case
is
is
called.
closed. I told him I don't have a case here. I'm not
And
here
he
on my
didn't- I don't
case.
think he told you anything after that.
Oh,
But you can go.
yeah. It is criminal, though, right?
This is a criminal case, and
And she wasn't here when I was here.
No.
Or when she was called, yeah. And so, that's a criminal case, but I'm saying, is this criminal or civil contempt of court?
oh, it's criminal.
Okay.
And this is just a show cause. So that's the first step before we go into contempt.
Okay.
So if you don't show up at the show cause, then we take the next step.
I see what
which
you're
is
saying.
The contempt proceeding.
So obviously, if he wants to proceed, I would have every right to be in front of a jury and in front of a common law court. So on and so
Correct.
forth. Okay.
Correct.
All right. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. All right. Take care.